In this tutorial, I will present how you can write a function in R step by step. Let's see an example. Write a function which takes a single argument, which is a matrix. The function should return a matrix, which is the same as the function argument, but every odd number is doubled. First, we name the function. Let's name it my function. With the function command, we tell R to create a function where each argument is defined in the parentheses. In our case, the argument is a matrix. Let's call it mat. After we define the function, we continue with the body of the function where the required actions are taken here in order to create the final result. The last step is to write down what we want the function to return to us. Here we want to return the mat matrix. After we're done with the function, we test it for specific arguments by writing its name and that argument.